Good morning on day 122. And we're in Mexico after maybe the longest night in too long. With no sleep. Yeah, it's been quite a lot. But we just drove like 700 miles and we're gonna go out and hopefully surf. The buoys are huge, the harbor's moving around a lot. It's a little bit scary. Give me a sick day though. Mexico! So we basically have to sneak out of the harbor before they close the port because the swell is so big. That's why we're leaving in the dark. And it's quite intimidating. There's a lot of water moving around in this harbor right now. Yeah. Let's go. Buenos dias. A la derecha en el norte de la isla de Todos Santos. Oh. Oh. Yee-hoo! That was sick. First set of the morning.
But you actually, depending on where you are, you have to
Oh.
paddle over one.
Yeah. Let's go, Eric. Get it. Wow, mega roller. Wow, but it looks sick. That thing was gnarly. Yeah. There we go. Sick one. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was sick. Come on, somebody get this thing. Come on. Swing on it. Are they getting caught? Oh no! Oh! That was okay. Good morning. Good morning. The second one, where is he? Oh, he's tombstoning pretty bad. Where is he? Yeah, but where is he? He didn't come up. Oh, wow. Bro, that was gnarly. Oh, no. Go! Oh! Well, do we know where Eric is? He's right there. Oh! Yeah! No, you're good. You're good. Be in it. All right, I got all suited up. We're going out. Let's go give it a look. I'm riding my 10-3. Bit overkill for right now, but should be fun. Oh, the water is so warm. Bro, what? This is I've never felt it this warm. Oh! That was a bomb! It's pretty slow out here. I haven't got a wave yet. Nothing too crazy. I just came in after sitting for 4 hours. Getting one small wave. But it's pumping now. I'm just cramping really bad, so I'm gonna drink some water and go back out. I think the no sleep is catching up to me hard. Gracias. Sheesh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, now I can surf again. Oh, now it's cold. Carnage! Got back out here, almost got cleaned up first thing. Took a little nap, drank some electrolytes from Santa Cruz Paleo. And it's a freaking nuts afternoon. Look at how beautiful this is. We are not mad about it. Hopefully I can find a clip of my wave from earlier. Fun little drop. I'm riding my 10-3. It's a beast compared to my 8-9. A beast. Oh my God! Oh. I'm so dehydrated, my leg cramped as I was catching that wave. That could have been bad. You thought, and way smaller. Not very consistent. I've caught one wave today so far because I keep waiting outside for a big one and then they just don't really come. But then I go inside to try and get another one and then I almost get cleaned up. So it's just like, I don't know, it's Nothing like getting caught inside. There's a bunch of gray whales spouting. You'll never be able to see them on this camera.
Alright, I guess we'll have to take that. Oh.
All finished. Epic day. Yeah, wrong. Sick. Let's go. Epic day. Epic crew. Epic swell mission. This week we flew from Portugal to Half Moon Bay, surfed Mavericks. Surfed Mavericks 3 days this week, and then drove 12 hours overnight without sleeping to surf Todos Santos in Baja California, Mexico. And tomorrow, we might even get to surf at Misto Big Wave in San Diego. Wow. I can't believe we pulled this off. I can't believe it. Ah, look at the sunset. This is crazy. It just keeps getting better. Yo ho. Taco time.
We're on, bro?
We're on.
To do this the whole day.
This is sick. 6 tacos and a torta. Time for the mission home. Wow. But that doesn't mean the waves are gonna stop. Here we go. Whoop.